Hi everyone. Media has been all over the place these days when it comes to any news that attracts people's attention in India. Media is quite divided. They have different versions of the same story. And people are confused. It is important to maintain the sanity and peace of mind for us. It is very important. Now, we also want to know what is happening because we all want to be informed citizens. But media has been confusing us for a very long time, and they are sharing different stories, and viewers are quite confused. They are in a chaotic state of mind as to what is true. And this confusion has created a lot of anxiety, agitation among people about what is the true story. People are very confused and they don't know what is true, what is false, because media is literally all over the place. Today we are going to talk about how can we deal with this situation. Today I'm going to share with you some tips about how can you deal with this situation. First of all, it is very important for us to learn to filter informations. Media is popular for its sensationalism and the presenter's personal perceptions are sometimes imposed on us and we get carried away by that. In this situation, it is very important to maintain objectivity and rationalism. It's very important for us to have a rational viewpoint on things. So we can filter out the sensationalism, we can filter out the presenter's perception and focus on the core idea. We can focus on the core facts and try to devise by ourselves what could be the scenario, because media has been confusing us like anything. Now, for those who like to read newspapers and especially editorials and articles, it is very important for them to try to identify if the editorial has any kind of biasness, because when we read any editorial we can sniff the biasness if it is there. In that case, we can ignore the biasness and we can focus on the facts, because sometimes editorials do contain very important information which can add to our knowledge bank. So it is very important that we leave out the biasness of the writer and focus on the factual aspect. It is very important. However, sometimes the coloring of biasness is too deep to ignore. In that case, I would advise that you should skip that editorial altogether, because it gets very difficult if you are especially patriotic, and sometimes I don't know why this is the case, that in India I have read certain editorials. Suppose it has to deal with our conflict with China, or if it has to deal with our conflict with Pakistan, and those who write, they are busy blaming the government policies and in fact criticizing the good things that government has done. So in this case we can skip if it is too hard to ignore the biasness. Now the next thing, we do follow certain news channels, okay, and we trust those channels because we believe that they are giving us genuine and true information, okay. Now let me tell you that these channels have certain, any channel has slight inclination towards certain ideology. So you cannot let go of skepticism here. You have to be careful even to this point. even with those channels you have to be careful, even with those channels which you trust, okay, because they can be inclined towards certain ideology, and you won't be able to get the true picture, get a view of the true picture, okay. So this is the case. Now we all know that the world is divided between left, right and center, and you can fall into any of these group, or you can be a neutral person. But the point is that we cannot skip certain things, okay. It is very important to remember that peaceful coexistence is something that we cannot let go of, and we cannot unduly harm others just because we believe that their opinion is different from our opinion, okay. Now apart from this, you can skip those TV debates which you believe invoke rage, anger, agitation, etc., because it is very important to maintain a peace of mind. It is very important. What you can do, I would suggest, is to try to add certain value to your life by reading self-help books, reading spiritual books, etc. You can also focus on your hobbies and different things. This will help you to overcome, if not possible, then at least accept the harsh realities of life, because situation is not easy for anyone this year, and we are dealing with lots of issues. So it's very important to press upon. It is very important to press upon the peace of mind. It is extremely important. We cannot skip that. So these things are important. Apart from this, I want to clarify here that I don't preach ignorance, okay. I don't preach being ignorant and living in your own fantasy world. I don't preach that, okay. I don't preach that. I believe that we must be informed citizens. It is very important. But the peace of mind, the sanity is also very important, and we cannot skip on that, okay. So as far as news channels are concerned, I know their concern is TRP. They want to support certain agenda, but I would suggest them that if they really want to increase their TRP, they must start disseminating pristine and true information, which is true to the best of their knowledge, because this is their sole responsibility. It is very important that we get true and pristine information. So I think this is all I have to say here. You can write in the comment section about your thoughts in this matter, and you can also consider subscribing to my channel, because I'll be posting these kind of videos more often, and if you like to watch these kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much.